What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be smashing out the interior on the Miata. We're going to put the dash in, get it all sorted, cluster, center console, aircon blower, HVAC system, whatever you want to call it. Clutch pedals are already sorted, brake boosters sorted, so we don't have to do anything there. Yeah, hook up all that and try and figure out where all the plugs go, because I've got no bloody clue where any of this stuff plugs into. But yeah, I've never done Miata interior by myself, or never even seen one, to be honest. So we're going to start with some research quickly, figure out where all this stuff goes, and then we shall rip into it. So yeah, I think we'll do the HVAC system first, get that out of the way. That way I can put the dash in over top of that and don't struggle getting that in through this little gap. So we'll go HVAC, dash, and then we can go from there and start figuring out the cluster, tombstone, center console stuff, all of that, and the glove box. So some research, and yeah, we'll get going. Alright, so we've given her a vacuum, cleaned her up. She's looking real nice and tidy. Vacuum the back shelf. So now we're going to start with the heater core. So we'll get this bad boy in. There's two holes there, and there's a drain hole down there for the drip down there. So we'll get that in, and then we can put the dash in. Alright, so we've got the HVAC in, two plugs there, two plugs there, one bolt there, a couple under here, one and one back there, and then two up there. And you've got these little straps here that have to go around to seal the gaps in the AC. So we've got one here which joins with that one, like so. And you just strap it around here and click it over. So I'll do that now and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so we got it over the gap and we just lock her in place. Just like so. That's it. All blocked up on the path. Now you can get out. Sweet, now we can put the dash in. Alright, so here's the dash here. I'll take this off. It's just a cluster shroud. I gave her a clean up with Armor All. I'll take tombstone off. I was putting all this on there because I was cleaning it with Armor All. Alright, so we get the dash. Chuck her in the car. I've always wanted to try this, so we'll see if we can do it. Alright, ready, and boom, and it's in. So now we can go put all the interior pieces in. So we got the tombstone, AC climate control, glove box, gauge cluster, and the little kick panel, because we've got all of it. And then we can chuck, we'll leave the center console out for the next video, which is a little hint on what's going on with the next one, what we'll be getting put in. So yeah, there it is. Looks awesome. That cracks, which I'm happy as with. A little bit of a bump here, and you can sort of see it, but that's alright. Sweet. So now I'm going to go put all that in, hook that up, and we'll get that done. Alright, we got it all in. Glove box in, hooked up. Little door lights. I'm not even sure what these are called. Someone could probably drop a comment below and tell me what these things are called. Tombstone's in, AC, looks all good. I love this. It looks brand new still, which is amazing. These are usually all worn out, but still looks clean as hell. What else we got? We got the dash in, dash surround, kick panel. It came with the kick panel, which I'm stoked about. But yeah, we got the dash in, aftermarket dash by the looks of it. Pretty awesome. Good score. But yeah, we just got the center console there, which can wait till we get the gearbox in, which will be in the next video. That's it. All the interior's in. Looks bloody good. Super happy with it. I just got to get a head unit, and pretty much is complete. Well, it is complete. And a steering wheel. That's the one thing we're missing. I think I'll get a Nardi for here, or a Momo, some kind of deep dish, I don't know, 320 or 330mm wheel. I don't want to go too big, otherwise I won't be able to move, because I'm quite a tall dude and it will hit me bloody knees when I'm driving. So a smaller wheel. I don't want to go too deep because it's a pretty shallow car as is, so I want to sit back about here. Don't want it coming back too far. But yeah, that's it. Dash is in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a comment below, chuck a thumbs up, and maybe subscribe and tune in for the next video. Thanks, guys.